Get up. Okay, now we're going to let that cool and hold it now. Let's get, look, don't, look. Okay, go ahead. Now hold it there a second. And here's what I want to do next. Go down to the very end and do it. Do a tack there. Now go ahead, run it down, and then hold it at the end. So let the heat run down to it. Now lift it up. And just do a nice little tack. And lift it up. Perfect. Now that'll hold it in place a little bit. Now we're going to go down to the next, go about another 3 inches or so. Okay, next 3 inches.